Who's it from?
Granny Jenny.
Granny Jenny? Wow, this is going to be cool.
Whoa.
Oh!
I want that guy. Because the other one got ran over. And I don't even know that guy either.
What'd you say to Granny Jenny?
Thank you.
Let me have a look. Hold it up to the camera.
Those dragon eggs.
Wow, you love those dragon eggs. Oh, and you got a book too?
Ooh.
That's
Holly
awesome.
wants to be a present, Mommy.
A dragon book?
Holly must love birthdays.
Dragon book? And is that an egg?
Yeah, it's in a mini one.
Oh, awesome. And a
There's
book.
also dinosaur ones too.
Wow.
Like, okay. That has too many. Yeah, I'm gonna. This one. Where's the card? I'll take this one.
That's just all for Mommy and Daddy. So you don't need a card for that. Oh wait, no. You know what? I think that's Auntie Debbie. No, Sharon, right?
Auntie Sharon, that one is, yeah.
Wait,
There's no card.
There's no
The
card.
card's coming later. Auntie Sharon's a little bit late.
I know what this thing is.
A dinosaur transformer.
A dinosaur transformer? This is the best day ever.
Has a DVD or a CD with it.
I don't know what this is. Will you come with the key? I'm looking. You need to do some mopping on the floor, Mom.
Yeah, I know.
What do you say, Vinny?
Thank you.
All right.
Now which one do you want to open?